Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself staring at a mountain of data in Google Sheets, wishing you could flip your rows into columns or maybe turn those columns sideways into neat little rows, then you're in exactly the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to quickly and easily switch rows to columns in Google Sheets, using both the Paste Special tool and a simple formula. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to transform your data, save yourself some time, and make your spreadsheets way more flexible. Alright, let's dive straight in. Changing rows to columns or columns to rows is actually called transposing your data, and the first, simplest method we'll use is the built-in paste special function. To start, let's say you have a stack of data running down a column, maybe it's a list of names, sales numbers, whatever you need. First, highlight the cells in the column that you want to switch over. You can do this by clicking and dragging or just clicking the top cell, holding Shift and selecting the bottom one. Once you've got your data selected, right-click on it and choose Copy. You can also use the keyboard shortcut, which is just Ctrl+C if you're on Windows, or CMD+C on Mac. Copying here is just like picking up the blocks you want to rearrange. Now find a blank spot in your sheet where you want the new layout to appear. This is important. If you try to paste over your existing data, it'll just replace it, and we definitely don't want to lose anything by accident. So click into an empty cell, right-click again, and this time look for Paste Special. When you hover over that, a new menu will pop up, and one of the options will say Transposed. Click that and watch the magic happen. Your column now appears as a row, stretching neatly across the page instead of running down it. You've just transposed your data. If you started with row data, let's say you have a list going horizontally that needs to go vertical, the process is almost identical. Just select the row, copy, head to a blank cell, right-click, choose Paste Special, then Transposed. Instantly, your information now cascades down as a column. Sometimes, though, you might want your data to update automatically if you change the original values, rather than just pasting a static snapshot. That's where the transpose formula comes in. This is especially useful for dynamic sheets or if you're working collaboratively with a team and expect updates. Here, how you do it: click into a blank cell, type an equals sign, and then the word transpose so it looks like this, equals transpose, then inside the parentheses specify the range of the data you want to flip. For example, if your data is in A1B5, it would be equals transpose A1B5. Hit enter and instantly the data rotates, columns become rows and rows become columns. The great part about this method is that if you go back and change anything in the original data, the transposed version updates automatically. It's almost like having a live mirror of your data, rotated exactly the way you want it. And there you have it, two quick and simple ways to change your rows to columns or columns to rows in Google Sheets. Give it a try in your own files. Even if you run into a hiccup, just rewind and check those steps again. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. And if you've got any questions, run into issues, or just want to share how you use the transpose feature, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.